What's up, everyone? It's Anthony here, and welcome back to Your Finance Lab, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Now, we all know the allure of the millionaire lifestyle, the financial security, the freedom to pursue passions, and the ability to make a real impact. But have you ever wondered what it takes to actually get there? Today, we're diving deep into the habits that have propelled countless individuals to millionaire status. And the best part? These aren't some exclusive secrets reserved for the elite few. These are practical, actionable habits that anyone can start incorporating into their daily lives right now. Now, you've probably heard it a million times before. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Well, I'm here to tell you that this age-old saying holds true, especially when it comes to building wealth. Look at any successful entrepreneur, CEO, or self-made millionaire, and I can almost guarantee they're up before the sun. Why is that? Because time is the ultimate equalizer. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's how we choose to use those hours that makes all the difference. Waking up early gives you a head start on the competition. It allows you to focus on your goals without the distractions that inevitably pop up later in the day. Think about it. Those quiet morning hours are golden. No emails, no phone calls, no kids demanding breakfast, just you, a cup of coffee, and the sweet sound of silence. Use this time wisely to work on your most important tasks. Whether it's planning your day, tackling a challenging project, or simply investing in some self-care. Trust me, the feeling of accomplishment you get from conquering your to-do list before most people even hit the snooze button is unbeatable. Now, I know what you're thinking. OVR, I'm not a morning person, and that's okay. You don't have to become a 4 a.m. riser overnight. Start small. Set your alarm just 15 minutes earlier than usual. Ease into it. As you get used to waking up earlier, gradually push back your wake-up time. Before you know it, you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve in those extra morning hours. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you learned something new, something that genuinely changed your perspective or sparked a new idea? If you're serious about building wealth and achieving success, you need to become a lifelong learner. And the most accessible, affordable way to do that is by reading. Now, I'm not talking about scrolling through social media or catching up on celebrity gossip. I'm talking about actively engaging with books that challenge your thinking, expand your knowledge, and help you grow as a person. Think of it this way. Every book you read is like having a conversation with the author, picking their brain and absorbing their years of experience and wisdom. It's like having a personal mentor in your back pocket. Whether it's biographies of successful entrepreneurs, books on finance and investing, or even self-improvement guides, make it a habit to read something every single day that pushes you outside your comfort zone. Take Warren Buffett, for example, one of the most successful investors of all time. He's known to spend the majority of his day reading, and it's not just him. Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, they're all voracious readers. But here's the thing, reading alone isn't enough. It's about putting what you learn into action. Don't just passively consume information, highlight key takeaways, take notes, and actively think about how you can apply those lessons to your own life and business ventures. Here's a hard truth. Simply wishing for wealth won't get you very far. Millionaires don't just stumble into success, they create it. And it all starts with setting clear, specific, and actionable goals. Think of your goals as your roadmap to success. Without a destination in mind, you're just driving around aimlessly, hoping to stumble upon something great. But here's the key. Don't just set vague goals like, I want to be rich or I want to be successful. Get specific. How much money do you want to make? By when? What kind of business do you want to build? What steps do you need to take to achieve those goals? The more specific you are, the more real and achievable your goals become. One of the most effective frameworks for setting goals is the SMART goal method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element is crucial in creating goals that are not just dreams, but concrete plans you can actually execute. Now, you might be thinking, what does exercise have to do with making money? Well, let me tell you, taking care of your physical health is just as important as your financial health. When you exercise, you're not just building a better body, you're building a sharper, more focused mind. Think about it. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain that reduce stress and boost your mood. And when you feel good, you're more productive, more creative, and better equipped to tackle challenges head on. Plus, let's be real, building wealth takes energy, it takes hustle, it takes the stamina to work those long hours and the mental fortitude to persevere through setbacks. Regular exercise gives you the energy and resilience you need to stay in the game for the long haul. Look, you can have all the talent and drive in the world, but if you're trying to achieve success in isolation, you're making it a whole lot harder than it needs to be. Millionaires understand that success is a team sport. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals, mentors, and advisors who challenge them, support them, and help them grow. Think of your network as your own personal board of advisors. These are the people you can bounce ideas off of, get feedback from, and turn to for advice when you're facing a tough decision. And remember, networking isn't just about what others can do for you, it's about what you can do for others. Offer your skills and expertise freely, make genuine connections, and always look for ways to add value to the lives of those around you. Let's face it, we all have the same 24 hours in a day, but it's not about how much time you have, it's about how you use it. Millionaires are masters of productivity. They understand that not all tasks are created equal, and they focus their energy on the activities that generate the biggest return on their investment of time and effort. This is where the 80-20th rule, also known as the Pareto principle, comes in. This rule states that roughly 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. So, the key to maximizing your productivity is to identify that crucial 20%, those high-value tasks that truly move the needle in your business and life, and prioritize them ruthlessly. Chapter 7. The discipline of success. Consistency is key. Motivation might get you started, but it's discipline that keeps you going when the excitement wears off and the going gets tough. Millionaires understand that success is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires unwavering commitment, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is about making those small, consistent efforts day in and day out, even when you'd rather hit the snooze button, skip the gym, or binge-watch Netflix. It's about staying focused on your long-term goals and resisting those short-term temptations that can derail your progress. Chapter 8. Embracing failure. Learning from setbacks. Here's the thing. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success. Every successful person has faced their fair share of setbacks, rejections, and mistakes along the way. The difference is, millionaires don't let those failures define them. They view them as opportunities to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Instead of dwelling on their mistakes, they analyze what went wrong, extract valuable lessons, and use those lessons to refine their approach and make better decisions in the future. They understand that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to achieving it. Chapter 9. Giving back, the power of generosity. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about making a positive impact on the world around you. Many millionaires understand the importance of giving back to their communities and supporting causes they believe in. Whether it's through philanthropy, mentorship, or simply using their platform to raise awareness for important issues. They recognize that true success involves leveraging their resources to make a difference in the lives of others. Chapter 10. The bonus habit, mastering your money mindset. Now, for that bonus habit that can truly supercharge your journey to wealth, mastering your money mindset. Your beliefs about money, wealth, and success play a huge role in shaping your financial reality. If you believe that money is scarce or that wealthy people are greedy, you're unconsciously sabotaging your own financial potential. Start by identifying any limiting beliefs you have about money and challenge them. Surround yourself with positive influences, read books about wealth consciousness, and adopt an abundance mindset. The belief that there's more than enough wealth to go around. So there you have it, folks. 10 habits of self-made millionaires that you can start implementing in your life today. Remember, building wealth and achieving success is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistently making small positive changes in your daily habits and mindset that over time will compound into extraordinary results. Start by picking one or two of these habits that resonate with you the most and commit to incorporating them into your daily routine. As you master those habits, gradually add more to your repertoire. And remember, success leaves clues. By modeling the habits and mindsets of those who have already achieved what you desire, you can significantly increase your own chances of reaching your financial goals and living the life of your dreams. Now get out there and start building your empire.